In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header font on your Shopify store. Adjusting the font style of your header can dramatically affect the overall look and feel of your website, aligning it more with your brand's personality and enhancing the user experience. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. We'll begin by navigating to your site editor. Once you're there, take a look at the left panel. You'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up your theme settings. It's your go-to place for customizing different elements of your site. Now that we're in the theme settings, the next step is to locate typography. You'll want to click on this option to open up its specific settings. This section is where you'll make the necessary changes to your fonts. Here, you will see the option to change the body font. Altering the body font will affect the menu navigation items, giving you a cohesive look across these crucial parts of your website. Next, you'll find the option for changing the header font. Adjusting the header font isn't just for your store's name, it also impacts all other headers on your site. So it is essential to select a font that not only complements your brand identity, but also ensures readability and accessibility for your visitors. As you go through these steps, it's crucial to keep in mind that making changes to the typography here will affect all fonts on your store. This means every piece of text, from the body elements to the headers, will reflect your new choices. You've got to ensure that both the body and the header typefaces harmonize well together to maintain a professional and polished appearance for your store. A key thing to remember during this process is that the extent to which you can customize your fonts may vary depending on the specific Shopify theme you're using. Some themes are designed to offer extensive customization options, giving you full control over various sections and elements. Others might have more limited capabilities. And just like that, with these simple steps, you're done. Changing the header font might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how your visitors perceive your store. Ensuring you've chosen a font that aligns with the overall aesthetics and usability of your site can lead to a more enjoyable browsing experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to change the header font on Shopify. Feel free to explore more customization options within your theme to make your store uniquely yours. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your online store.